Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious ginger fudge. First, let's gather our essential ingredients and equipment. You'll need 450 grams of granulated sugar, 120 milliliters of milk, and 115 grams of unsalted butter. Don't forget 150 grams of finely chopped stem ginger for that perfect flavor. Also, prepare a 20 by 20 centimeter baking tin by lining it with parchment paper, ready for your fudge mixture. Now, let's start cooking our fudge base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the granulated sugar, milk, and butter. Heat this mixture gently over low heat, stirring occasionally until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, increase the heat and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Continue to boil for about 5 minutes, stirring constantly to prevent it from sticking or burning. After boiling, remove the pan from the heat immediately. This is the perfect time to stir in your finely chopped stem ginger, ensuring it's evenly distributed throughout the mixture. Now, the crucial step: beat the fudge vigorously with a wooden spoon for about 5 to 7 minutes. You'll notice it thickening and losing its glossy appearance. Once it reaches this stage, quickly pour it into your prepared baking tin and allow it to cool completely for at least 2 hours. Once your ginger fudge has cooled and set completely, it's time to enjoy your delicious creation. Carefully lift the fudge from the tin using the parchment paper. Then, using a sharp knife, cut the firm fudge into neat 2.5 centimeter squares. These bite-sized pieces are perfect for sharing or savoring yourself. Remember to check the description below for a link to some fantastic darn tough socks and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade ginger fudge.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.